Good Wednesday morning to everybody. I need you to get to Google Classroom and I need you to track down the stream just like we do every single day. Today in the stream, you are going to find that there is a practice quiz that you have to take. It is on the link and it takes you straight to the quiz, so you don't have to look for the quiz. Remember to sign into Moodle when it asks you to, and then just wait patiently for it to pop up. It is a practice quiz, so you must get 100% on this one. You can take it as many times as you need. There is a time limit on it though, so it does have a 5-minute time limit. And so make sure you try it quick. If you get it wrong, just go back, learn what you did wrong, and take it again. Simply hit attempt quiz now, start the attempt, and get cracking. When you finish your attempt, if it's not all green, just click finish review, and then you can scroll down and you can reattempt the quiz to get your 100%. The scores will show up on my screen immediately, so I'll be watching for them to show up. You, as soon as you're done, can go to the programming logo page and work through these cool little playlists to see just how epic you can make your house before I grade them, which is coming up soon. Let's get going. Have a great day. Last but not least, friends, if any of my movies are ever helpful for you, you can always hit that I like this button. You can also hit subscribe, and if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new movie from me, HLModTech, click that notification bell.